volume, sir. Ang sa laptop. Di, kanaka.
Together, we will continue to inspire, empower, and create lasting impact. Here's to the next 15 years. Enagic Philippines 15th anniversary celebration. A decade and a half of changing lives, one drop at a time. Years ago, Enagic Philippines set out on a mission to transform lives through the power of Kangen water. What started as a small vision has grown into a movement, reaching thousands across the country. From our first office in Makati, nationwide network of passionate distributors, our journey has been one of dedication, innovation, and success. Through the years, Enagic Philippines has achieved remarkable milestones. In 2010, Enagic Philippines held its grand opening at New World Hotel in Makati City, marking the beginning of a new era in health, wellness, and opportunity. In 2011, Emily Prudencio was the first ever 6A of Enagic Philippines, setting the foundation for success and inspiring many in the Enagic community. The same year, Enagic Philippines celebrated its first anniversary of Shangri-La Hotel, Makati City, marking a milestone in its journey of growth and success. In 2012, John Lim became Enagic Philippines' fastest distributor to reach 6A within 4 months and achieve 6A2 status in December of the same year. In 2013, Enagic Philippines commemorated its 3rd anniversary at New World Hotel, Makati City, honoring 3 years of outstanding progress, success, and commitment to enriching lives through true health and financial freedom. From 2014 to the present, Enagic Philippines has continuously expanded its training programs and distributor network across the country, reaching key locations such as Cebu, Davao, Zambales, Ilocos, Iloilo, Bohol, Cagayan de Oro, and many more. In 2018, Enagic Philippines proudly joined the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, DSAP, reinforcing its commitment to ethical business practices, industry excellence, and empowering more Filipinos through true health and financial freedom. In 2019, Mark Cristal and Michelle Flores made history as the first ever awardees from Enagic Philippines at the DSAP Annual Industry Awards, earning the prestigious titles of Entrepreneur of the Year and Sales Achiever of the Year. In February 2022, the Philippine flag was raised for the first time at E8PA in Okinawa, Japan, honoring the branch for achieving the highest sales growth from December 2021 to January 2022. In 2023, for the first time in history, Enagic Philippines celebrated its anniversary outside country. The 13th anniversary was a grand and unforgettable event held at the prestigious Marco Polo Plaza in Cebu City. In January 2025, our branch achieved a record-breaking 161.1% sales performance, ranking top 6 overall and making a significant significant impacts in reaching 30,000 units sold globally, the highest ever in Enagic Philippines history. This extraordinary milestone reflects our unstoppable growth, unwavering dedication, and the incredible strength of the Enagic community. With every event, every milestone, and every life change, we continue to move forward, stronger than ever.
Hello everyone, I'm Ray Tokmo from Davao City. I am a 682-2 distributor of Enagic for more than 10 years now. So why Enagic? Simply because we have a very amazing, life-changing tangent water machine. Not only that, but we already have other product licenses are all amazing. And then at the same time, you can touch lives using the water, also using the machine. As I joined Enagic 10 years ago, when I was broke financially. So I believe this company became a vehicle for me to bounce back financially. Enagic, congratulations, you are a blessing. You are a blessing from above for so many people. Thank you. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I am Eleanor Cristal, 684-3. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to Enagic for everything has brought into our lives, through health and the opportunity. We've been in Enagic for 16 years, and only Enagic has provided us a financial stability, allowing us to build a secure future. That financial freedom has given me the peace of mind. With Enagic, I discovered the purpose that inspires me every single day, helping me transform our lives and the lives of many. Thank you, Enagic, for being part of my journey towards a healthier and a prosperous future ahead. Happy 15th year anniversary of health and success. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Oshiro. Thank you, Enagic.
My name is Lancio Contreras from Antique. 75 years old, 6A, together with my wife, Maura Contreras. Congratulations, Enagic Philippines, for 15 years of success. You inspired us to pursue wellness with passion and dedication in changing lives.
Congratulations to Enagic Philippines on its 50th anniversary. As we celebrate this achievement, we hope that more Filipinos will discover the life-changing benefits of Kangen water and the incredible opportunities that Enagic offers.
Our vision for the future is to see Enagic continue to grow, touching more lives, making lasting impact on love and natural. Giving more years of success.
Together with our supportive distributors and dedicated team here at Iloilo City Western Visayas at UG Wellness Center, happy 50th anniversary, Enagic Philippines! The best is yet to come! Yay!
Every Enagic distributor is part of a bigger mission to empower, educate, and transform lives.
15 years of passion, teamwork, and success. Congratulations, Enagic Philippines. To our dedicated distributors and to my hardworking fellow employees, thank you for your commitment and trust. Let's continue to grow, inspire, and achieve new milestones together.
Happy 15th anniversary Enagic Philippines. Working here has been an incredible journey, being surrounded by passionate and supportive colleagues. I'm grateful for the strong bonds we built and excited for more years of growth and success. Change your water, change your life.
Our employees are the heart of Enagic Philippines, ensuring that every distributor and customer receives the best service and support. As we celebrate 15 years, we also look forward to the future. Bigger opportunities, more success stories, and a growing Enagic family. Together, we will continue to inspire, empower, and create lasting impact. Here's to the next 15
welcome everyone. Happy New Year 2026. Ang bilis, right? We are already right now, we are 3rd of January. 3rd ba? Tama ba? Yes, we are 3rd of January. And ang super bilis ng panahon. That's why we want to start early. So marami tayong matulungan as to educating about this amazing technology from Japan. And in fact, also, pagdating din sa mga naghahanap ng mga magagandang health investment for the entire, actually, hindi lang for the year 2026, but for the next 25 years or more, this amazing technology will last that long. In fact, the company behind this is a 51-year-old already. Can you imagine that? 51 years. So, ang tagal na nila. Anyway, sa mga nanonood, right now, we have leader from Bukidnon. We also have leader from idol ko ito, si Bernard Vela. Coach Bernard Vela, 6A. Diba? Parating ng kanyang 6A too. So, thank you. Ayun, baka makahabol. Sa mga hindi makahabol, just tell them that they can watch this replay. So, this is my way of helping my team, helping my group all over the world to somehow just send their invites, their prospects, and I can do the demonstration. Next week, I will be doing the compensation plan. So, mark your calendar. Same time next week, 5 o'clock, we will be doing a compensation plan about Enagic. So, this time around, I'll be doing the candle demo. So, simulan natin. Anyway, if you are watching this, feel free to comment in the section below, in the comment section. Tell us where are you joining us or watching us, so I will know. And then, later, pag meron kayong mga parts na hindi na enjoy or hindi masyadong naintindihan, or you can like parang replay, or you can just play back sa part na kung saan gusto mo pang maliwanagan, because I will be doing this to educate everyone. So fasten your seatbelt. Ang gawin natin is disclaimer. Ang gagawin kong demonstration has nothing to do with the brand ng tubig na ginamit ko. Wala po akong intention. We don't have any intention to somehow, asisiraan yung mga brands nila. But this demonstration or presentation is plainly for educational purposes only. Okay? So, at lahat ng mga sasabihin ko din, walang pinalaman ang Enagic Philippines sa mga lalabas sa bibig ko. This is my way of doing Kangen demo as my way of helping my team to somehow understand the value of this amazing machine, Kangen water machine. So, anyway, simulan natin. Let me bring out my slides bago hindi ko naman kalimutan. So, anyway, feel free to have your coffee habang nakikinig, but just make sure to be attentive because I will be giving a very valuable information that maybe hindi nyo pa narinig for the last number of years na nasa mundo ka. At maybe this one thing can change the projectile of your entire health and family's health pag naintindihan mo ito. Okay? So, anyway, simulan natin. This is very basic, but I believe kailangan natin ma-remind na our body is made up of 75% tubig. Laki, ano? Parang kung 75%, 3/4 yun ng ating katawan is water. In fact, kanya-kanya natin mga organs sa katawan na pinapahalagahan natin ng mabuti is like ang ating, ano ba pinaka-important yung organ sa katawan? Ako siguro brain or heart, ano ba? Brain is 83% water, heart is 75% water, ang dugo natin, naku, 94% tubig, ang lungs is 85, kidneys are 83, muscles 75, that's why very effective or important na Kangen ang iniinom natin if you're doing exercise or meron tayong mga nag-workout tayo because muscles is made up of 75% water. So yan, ganun siya ka-importante. But, akala ko, way back 11 years ago, na pare-pareho lang yung mga tubig na yan. In fact, ang iniinom nga lang namin way back nung maliit pa ako is tubig galing sa balon. Tubig galing sa, ano tawag ko dyan? Balon is spring.
Well,
Well pala. Spring pala yung ano. Anyway, galing sa well. So, bakit pa natin palitan yung tubig? Buhay pa naman ako hanggang sa ngayon. So, ganun din yung aking mindset when I na-introduce to sa akin. Okay lang naman, yung mga lola ko, umabot na ng 100 years old, 90 plus years old, kahit na ganun. But I realized, meron kaibahan. So, ganun din ipapakita ko sa inyo. I learned this demonstration, pinakita ito sa akin ng aking grand sponsor ng sponsor ko. This upline distributor sa Enagic, who is Raymond Reyes. So, siya nagpakita sa akin ito. Of course, through my upline sponsor na si Mr. Bayani Stanislaw. So, these are my good friends. Pinakita nila sa akin, kinulong nila ako sa isang room. So, ang gagawin ko sa inyo, i-recreate ko lang yung demo na nakita ko, which convinced me na to change my water. Ayos ba yun? So, pag may mga the hard thing about online is hindi mo kita ang mga kausap mo. So, if you can like meron tayong mga magaganda or valuable na information na makuha, feel free to like thumbs up or put a heart or click. Bahala na kayo. Basta, alam ko lang kung mayroong nagpa-participate sa sa ginagawa ko. So, anyway, simulan natin. So, 11 years ago, or way back 11 years ago, I found this amazing company called Enagic. Bakit ba reliable ito? Bakit trusted ang brand na to? Kasi if you can see, this is a 51 years old. And this is the only water ionizer company na mayroong ISO certification na 13485. At alam mo ba ano yan? That ISO certification is called ISO certification for medical device. Talaga? Medical device? Or water ionizer tapos medical device? Tama ang narinig nyo? Pakinggan sa medical device, right? So, mayroong interruption. Kasi this machine, this ionizer is a medical device in Japan. Japan pa talaga. With all the countries na super hirap kumuha ng medical device, sa Japan pa talaga. Yes, and the company is Original Equipment Manufacturer. OEM, ibig sabihin lahat ng parts ng machine natin is gawa ng isang company, Enagic. Hindi tayo bumili ng mga parts galing sa ano-anong bansa tapos inassemble, hindi. Lahat ng gumawa ng part ng machine is only one company, which is Enagic. So, meron tayong 4 na gold seal. Hindi mo yan basta-basta makakuha when it comes to water quality. Super. And then we are located in more than in 43 offices in over 25 countries. So that's how credible this company is. And of course, credible ang company. Maya pag-uusapan natin yung kanilang product. So, ito yung mga licenses, certificates, ISOs na merong hawak ang ating company. Now, why this counting machine is a great investment? Bakit? Ang mahal naman yan. Mahal sa mga hindi nakarinig yung demo. Believe me, pag nakita mo yung demo ko, nakita mo to education about this machine later, magugulat ka na, hindi pala ito mahal. Mura pala ito. Akala mo lang mahal, akala mo lang hindi, pero hindi. Tama yan. Akala mo lang mahal, pero hindi pala. So yan yung ating. Aside from the fact that this machine, itong machine na nakikita ninyo, ito yung mga models. Of course, hindi lang ganoon yung mga products natin. Meron tayong mga, ang dami na nadagdag ng mga puro pang total wellness or holistic wellness at pinagputak na ginagawa ng mga machines na yun. Nandun si Amgard, nandun si Uko, nandun si Candle Air, so nandun sa picture si Alespa. So maya, but this afternoon, my focus is all about the Kangen water machine. Bakit nga ba kailangan natin magkaroon yan? Every home should have that. Yun yung aking dream somehow or pangarap na bawat bahay magkaroon ng ganyan. In fact, sa Japan right now, 1 out of every 6, when I joined in Egypt, that was the data, I don't know now. So 1 every 6 household mayroon isang machine. So ganun na sila. Sa Philippines, alam niyo ba ano yung ratio ng may machine sa at wala? Alam niyo ba na for every 200 households, ang meron palang machine is isa. So, less than 0.5% pa lang ang ating market saturation. Welcome sa mga bagong leaders. Coach Leslie, I believe, is from Bangkal. And then we have Cole Isan from Bukidnon also. Welcome, coaches. Thank you for being here. So, bakit great investment ito? Simulan ko dito. Kasi, marirealize mo later na meron tayong mga ginagawa na sa bahay, na mayroon tayong binibili na brand, ginagamit ng mga bagay-bagay na pwede nang palitan ng machine. Ang dami. Maya, ipapakita ko sa kanya ano yung mga pwedeng palitan ng mga water types na mapupulos ng machine. So, unahin natin doon sa mga water types na pwedeng i-produce ng machine. Nandun si Kangen water, nandun si beauty water, nandun si clean water, strong Kangen, strong acidic. So yan yung mapuproduce niya. Kasi i-detalye ko mamaya ang 4 out of the 5 na nasa screen ninyo. Unahin ko yung Kangen water. Bakit? Of course, priority ang maiinom natin. Bakit kailangan Kangen water ang iniinom natin? So, ang sagot ko dyan is ganito. If you are very particular doon sa nilalagay mo na gasolina sa sasakyan mo, kailangan naka V-Power or naka something, dapat yung something special. Pinapangalagaan natin yung makina ng ating sasakyan. Hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa gasolinahan at sabihan yung pump boy na pagtanungin ka, ano bang gusto mong, anong gasolina ito sa'yo, anong classes? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na kayo po bahala. So you will be telling the pump boy na ito yung gusto kong ilagay mo sa aking gasolina. So eto ngayon, how about our body? Particular ka ba? O concerned ka ba? Pinag-iisipan mo ba kung ano yung binibigay mo sa katawan mo na 75% ng katawan mo or kung ano yung nakalapag, yun na yun. So yun yung gusto kong pag-isipan. Are you giving your body the best water available in the market or in the world right now or hindi nyo pinag-iisip? So dito ako papasok. Bakit kailangan natin ito i-isip? So, Kangen water ang pag-uusapan natin. Bakit Kangen water? Ito yung sagot sa mga tanong, bakit ba, ano ba yung Kangen water na yan? Parehas na yung mga tubig na yan? No. Not all water are created equal. In fact, maya, meron ako nakalagay dito sample ng tubig. Pero unahin ko muna, ano ba lang mayroon sa Kangen water? Bakit kakaiba? Bakit ito merong bumibili ng 25 to 30,000 units every month, every single month? Sabi nila, mahal ang machine. Pero bakit merong bumibili na 20 to 25,000 katao every month, buwan-buwan, for the last 51 years? Bakit ganon? Oh, hindi naman nagsimula sa ganyan. Yung last year, bakit ganon? Bakit merong bumibili na ganon kadami? Ibig sabihin, yung mga bumibili na yun, naintindihan nila the need of having this machine at home. So, pakinggan mo ito, give it a time, nandito ka na rin, seryosohin mo, capture whatever information you can, ask question, research whatever word na or something na hindi mo masyadong na-grasp. Make due diligence if this machine is really the best for your health when it comes to water in the world today. Okay? So ano bang meron sa Kangen? But before that, sasunod ako. Sorry. Huwag nyo na sila papipa. Anyway, Unang, ito yung mga representation ng tubig na i-demonstrate ko sa inyo. Bakit itong mga tubig na to? Ito palang mga tubig na to, walang, or inumin, walang antioxidant. Hindi high ang kanilang pH level. Hindi ba sila microclustered din or structured? So, yun yung mga question na sasagutin natin. So, ang tubig na to, lalagyan ko lang para kasi ma-aware kayo. Ito yung tubig na makikita or ininom natin mula sa ating tap or tap water. Ito yung galing sa faucet. Okay, lagyan ko lang. Okay? And then itong brand na to, or itong tubig na to, hindi na makita ang brand, successful na. Pero alam ko, kailan yung mga yan. Etong tubig na to is mag-represent sa lahat ng purified water. Purified or product ng water refilling station. Ito yun. Ito naman, ito yung tubig na mag-represent sa lahat ng distilled water or dead water. Tubig na kung saan wala na siyang mineral, zero minerals. At itong dalawa na to, I know you're familiar with this. Ito yung sports drink, ito naman yung soda. At kukuha tayo ng sample from Kangen water para at least actual yung makita para walang daya. Baka maya, naigib tayo ng tubig from the Kangen machine. Then ako ipapakilala sa inyo ang model na to. So, para nakita ninyo, nakikita ninyo screen is Kangen water 9.5. Yan ang iigibin natin. So you can see that this is the actual water na galing sa machine. Bago natin i-test ang mga properties na to, ang gawin ko is i-give ng Kangen water. Di naman din kadami. Para alam nyo lang na this is from the machine. Alright. Ayan. So, ito yung gamitin natin pang test. Okay? Para alam nyo na hindi siya dinaya o meron nilagay na something bago i-produce. This is actual. Okay? So this is actual na Kangen water galing sa machine kung nasa likod na. Okay? I think this is ayan. Enough muna. Tatakpan ko lang para hindi lalabas ang kanyang antioxidant. Okay? So, kukuha ko ng sample. Yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Yan yung i-test natin. Yan yung mga water sample at drink sample. Anyway, pag sinabing antioxidant, para saan ba yung antioxidant? Okay, simple explanation. Parang pang elementary. Ayaw ko masyadong laliman ng science. Kasi hindi naman lahat gusto yun malaman kung ano yung science behind. But for people na gusto ng science, at least hindi rin kayo mabitin. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng antioxidants? Ang kalaban ng katawan natin is oxidants. In fact, ibang mga oxidants is byproduct ng chemical processes sa loob ng katawan natin. So, ang ginagawa ng katawan, if it's in the perfect condition, is dinidetox yung mga oxidants na yan. Dineutralize. Pag perfect condition yung katawan natin. But as we grow old, nabibuild up kasi aside sa chemical processes sa loob ng katawan, meron pa tayong mga external factors. Lifestyle, yung mga kinakain natin, iniinom natin, puyat sa kakalaro, puyat sa kakanood ng Reels, puyat sa Netflix, di ba, mga ganyan. So, nandun na, tapos stress pa tayo. Ang daming mga stress na inaatupag, so dumadami ang mga sources ng oxidants sa loob ng katawan. That's why, pag hindi natin na-control yung mga oxidants na yan, yun yung nangyayari dyan is nagkakaroon tayo ng free radical. So by the way, another word for oxidant is free radical. So pag hindi natin na-control yung free radical na yan, nagkakaroon natin natawag na free radical damage. Pag hindi natin ito na-neutralize. So ang question is, ano yung pang-neutralize ng body sa oxidants? Ang tawag dyan is antioxidants. Diba? Ang talitalin nyo na, no? So, yun yung tawag sa pang-neutralize kasi anti-oxidation. So, and by the way, yung oxidation na yan yung magiging cause na pag super bilis ang oxidation, super bilis nating tumanda, super bilis nating magkasakit. So, ang logic is, i-slow down natin yung oxidation, you will slow down the aging, you will slow down the disease. So that's the science behind. Now, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is ano bang pwede natin gawin to become a source of antioxidant na super dami sa katawan natin. Alam niyo ba ang sagot doon? Tubig! Correct! Tama kayo, tubig ang pinakamadami sa katawan natin. Na if we are loading our bodies ng tubig na super taas ng antioxidant, super bilis din natin mag-detox, mag-regenerate, to slow down the aging. Slow down the aging, the faster the slower the disease. That's the principle. I hope nabigyan mo kayo ng kunting idea about it. And then, alam niyo ba ano yung pinakamataas na source ng antioxidant in the market today is the Kangen water. There's no other liquid or water in the world right now so far na kayang gawin or mayroong ganitong ORP reading. So, paano ganyan kinukuha ang ORP? By the way, kinukuha yung ORP using the ORP meter. So, ito yung ORP meter. So, kukuha ng water sample, i-measure. Pag positive ang kanyang ORP reading in millivolts, ibig sabihin lang nun, nakaka-contribute siya ng faster aging. The higher the positive, the faster the aging, the faster the disease. Over time. Hindi naman inom ka ngayon ng super taas agad-agad. In fact, para makarelate kayo, if you have aquarium sa bahay, bago niyo ilagay yung tubig galing sa gripo, sa aquarium ninyo, anong ginagawa ninyo? Pinapasubside, hinahayaan niyo muna, after i-give, hayaan muna bago ilagay sa ano. Ano yung pinapababa ninyo? Ang pinapababa niyo is the ORP level or the oxidation reduction potential level. Mas mataas, positive, oxidizing, aging, nakakapag-paras ng ating katawan, ng ating cells. And then, pag negative, ang ibig sabihin naman is aging, oxidizing. So, sa kabila, anti-aging, anti-oxidizing. In short, pampatanda, pampabata. Pampatanda, pampabata. Now, green tea is around negative 100, vitamin C is around negative 50, cod liver oil is around negative 200, but mind you, gagawin natin yung ulit. Okay, mag-alala. Gagawin natin today, i-demonstrate natin. So, I have here water samples. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi ang Kangen water is maabot siya up to negative 400, negative 600, even the top of the line, maabot siya na negative 700 and above. Now, ito yung kinikip natin ng water from the top. Ito yung tubig na magre-represent sa lahat ng purified. Ito yung tubig na magre-represent sa lahat ng distilled. And then, ito yung tubig na energy drink. Lahat ng iniinom ng energy drink. And then, this one, lahat ng umiinom ng soda. Bago ba ito? Parang hindi. Hanap ako ng bagong soda. Baka hindi kasi ito ba? Parang duda ako eh. Ito. Bago ito. Yan. Kasi hindi siya gumanon eh. So, this is soda. And then, ito yung Kangen water. Okay? Now, ito yung water meter. Unahin natin si tap water. Aabot yun is. Nyo ha? So this is water from the tap. Ano waiting is Rose?
Wala pa, sir.
Ay, pala. Hindi yan. Yung reading is positive.
500.
500. Tingnan mo doon sa ano mo nakikita nila.
5,
Diyan ka tingin. Kita nila?
5 na.
Positive 500, right? Sa screen ninyo, yun ang tama nakalagay. Nakalagay at a quarter, 400 and above. So right now, it's positive 500. This one is purified. So, 500 din. Positive. Oxidizing. This one is distilled water. 600. Mas mataas. Right? So, oxidizing. How about energy drink? 700 plus. Very oxidizing. And then pag soda, 700 plus. Kita ko sa inyo ha. 700 plus. Okay? Now, take a look. What will happen if ilipat ko siya? Madala lang pala sa kanya. Lipat ko siya sa candle water. Take a look. Ano nangyari? Nakita niyo ang sign? Ano nangyari? Right now is it's negative 600. Lapit ko. Negative 600. Guys, vitamin C is just negative 50. If this is negative 600, in fact, negative 700 na, it's 14 times much potent than vitamin C, 7 times much potent than green tea when it comes to antioxidant. Dapat marami akong heart makita pag napakinggan niya. Can you imagine, ibalik ko ito sa soda ha? If you're drinking soda, ano nangyari sa side? Bumalik siya ulit, 400, positive. Balik ko sa candle. Ano nangyari? It becomes negative 700 plus. Pinapalakpakan niya sa mga ano, di ba? Ang galing. There's no other water in the world na ganito siya ka taas ng kanyang ORT na negative. Candle water lang. Kaya walang ibang tubig in the world na totoong makakapagpabata. Kami mag-asawa, we are 40s, mid-40s. Ang asawa ko, lower 40. But we don't have wrinkles. Wala kayo makita. Bakit? Ito na yung totoong ano. Pampabata. The real, if may kilala kayong bumibili ng mga products in the market pampabata, nako, mas magastos yun. Ito yung totoong pampabata, isang beses mo lang bilhin, mga gamit mo for the next 25 years or 30 years. Can you imagine having this water every single day? Pan-detox, pampabata, so ganun kaganda. Ganun kaganda. In fact, take a look at this. Ang isang basong Kangen water, ito yung hindi magawa. By the way, ito yung hindi magawa ng hindi fresh na Kangen. Kasi kung hindi na fresh ang Kangen mo, humingi ka na sa kapitbahay, tapos 3 days na, 2 days na, wala na yung antioxidant. Kasi ang antioxidant is very sensitive sa heat, at saka sa light, at saka sa oxygen. So, may mga Bukidnon leaders pa tayong pumasok. Welcome, Coach JR and si Coach Mark Jeff. So, take a look at the screen. Ang isang basong Kangen is equivalent to 30 glasses of green tea, 5 bundles of spinach, 5 kilograms of broccoli, 1 kilogram ng blueberries, 38 carrots, 16 tablets of vitamin C, 94 bananas, at 64 apples. Pag ang pag-uusapan natin is antioxidant, I will not exchange this water to anything kasi ganito ka powerful ito. Ganito ang ka-healthy. Imagine nyo yung 65 or 75 ng katawan mo, healthy na. Healthy ang iniinom mo. Nako, the rest will follow. Right? So, that's the first property. In fact, sa book na Killing Cancer Not People, nag-recommend sila ng top 10 products. So, top 10 products na kung saan best for cancer prevention. Alam nyo ano number 1? Kangen water. Kangen water. So ganun ka ganda. Now, we move to the next property. The second property is ang tubig natin is super taas ng kanyang antioxidant or ng kanyang pH or alkaline pH. Now, dito maraming natakot. Sabi nila, ayaw ko ng sobrang alkaline ng katawan ko kasi sabi ng doktor ko, hindi daw maganda. Correct, tama ang doktor. Kapag sobrang hindi balance yung pag-inom mo ng alkaline water, hindi siya healthy. But this water is not alkaline. It's alkalized. Oh, by the way, bakit naging negative pala yung ORT kanina? Bakit hindi siya positive? Kasi marami siyang hydrogen ions. So, ang process is electrolysis. Ang process is electrolysis na kung saan maraming mga hydrogen ions na napuproduce. So pag nag-combine yung dalawang hydrogen ion, ang labas doon is molecular hydrogen. Yan yung product na super taas na antioxidant. Nawala tuloy ako. Maingay kasi ang makawala dito. Super taas na sana. Yan yung isa sa mga medically claim na super taas ng antioxidant. Molecular hydrogen or the H2. Yan yung marami sa tubig natin. Now, in the process, since maraming hydrogen ions or molecular hydrogen ang katawan, ang tubig natin, ito yung tinatawag na hydrogen water. So huwag kayo magpaloko ha. Pag mamarinig kayo, binibenta namin hydrogen water. Nako, ang original niyan, ang very effective na hydrogen water is Kangen water. So huwag kayong magpaloko dun sa mga nagbebenta ng hydrogen water. Kangen machine. Maraming hydrogen kasi science talaga siya, electrolysis. Now, because marami siyang hydrogen, it is but normal na ang kanyang pH is, anong ibig sabihin ng pH nga? Ang pH, ang meaning niyan is potential of hydrogen. So, mas maraming concentration ng hydrogen, mas mataas ang kanyang pH. Ano nga yung range ng pH? From pH 1 to 14. Pag 7, neutral. Pag higher than 7, alkaline or basic. Tama? Pag less than 7, that's acidic. So, ano yung denomination ng pH? Potential of hydrogen. Gaano ba kadami ang concentration ng hydrogen sa liquid? So, ang gawin natin, iti-test natin. So, I have here, ang ginagamit natin doon is litmus paper. Litmus test. Pag hindi natin yun makuha, pag pula, acidic. Pag blue, alkaline or basic. Now, ang ginagamit natin ngayon is advanced pH test liquid. So, you can buy this sa mga aquarium shop, yung mga ganyan. So, water supplies, yung mga nandun, mabili ko yung pH tester. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is, you will put 3 drops each at based sa color, based sa color, you will identify kung acidic siya or alkaline. By the way, this is common knowledge na too much acid waste sa katawan natin ang resulta sickness. If we are healthy, mga bata, bagong panganak, healthy babies, pag masugatan, super bilis gumaling kasi ang kanilang mga katawan pa is alkaline. In fact, our body is maintaining a slight alkaline level, 7 point something. Yun yung ating pH dapat sa katawan para healthy tayo. Now, super acidic, pag super acidic ang katawan natin, yan yung root cause. Take note of the word root cause, hindi siya symptom. Pag root cause, the reason or the cause behind the symptom. Masakit ang ulo mo, that's a symptom. Ano ba root cause? The root cause behind major degenerative diseases is too much acid waste. Super dami na ng acid waste sa katawan. Yan ng GERD, gout, arthritis, autoimmune condition, mood disorders. Ayan mga yan, oh. Kidney failures, Alzheimer's, nandiyan na lahat. Diabetes, acid reflux. So I will test this liquid based sa chart kung ano sila. So water from the top, 3 drops each. Purified. This is distilled. This is energy. This is soda. And this is water. So ang gawin natin is, so this is the water from the top. So anong color ba ito? This is neutral. Bakit neutral yan siya, Coach Ray? Kasi meron siyang chemical na lye. At of course, meron din siyang chlorine. So lye meaning LYE, nilalagyan nila ng alkaline na lye to regulate the pH para hindi siya mag-acidic. Kasi pag acidic ito, magra-rush yung mga pipes. Even masisira. How about purified? So ang purified is acidic. Too much of this sa katawan natin. Tapos kailangan mistress ako na lalaki. Too much of this sa katawan natin. The result is sickness. Acidic. How about distilled water? Acidic. Acidic. Too much of this, sickness. How about itong dalawa? This is super acidic. Itong dalawa na to. Soda at saka almost orange. Almost orange. Almost orange. And then, the good news is, only Kangen water ang kayang makaproduce, or Kangen water machine na kaya ito na walang chemical. Anong meron? Concentration of hydrogen ions, kaya siya alkaline. Or ang tawag dito is alkalized kasi nga kuryente. Walang nilagay na chemical, hindi nilagyan ng sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, or sodium, or calcium. Walang nilagay. This is natural. Through electrolysis, we are producing this kind of water. And this is highly alkaline. Wala bang heart dyan or thumbs up man lang para to appreciate, nalaman ko na dyan pa kayo. So, our slogan is change your water, change your life. That's our slogan. So, ano gawin natin? If this is your body, acidic, ang gawin lang natin, this is hot water lang. So, lagyan ko ng camera. If this is your body, acidic, all you to do is drink lang yan. Ano nangyari? Ang neutral lagi siyang alkaline. If this is your body, acidic, all you need to do, lapit na lang is zoom to the rocks. If this is your body, the presentation ng katawan mo acidic, all you need to do is change your water, drink. Diba? If this is your body acidic, all you need to do is drink. Now, ay may pag-asa pala. May pag-asa pa pala kasi kung soda at energy drink, pwede pala yun. Tingnan nyo. But if you are drinking soda and energy drink, ito. Kahit walang mangyayari dyan. Grabe no? Super acidic. In fact, sa sobrang acidic ng soda at energy drink, healthy na ang katawan mo, na-temp ka ulit, sip. Sip. Isang takip lang. Tambal sa ibog, tambal sa luod. Grabe yan. Balik ulit. So, ganun ka-acidic ang soda at energy drinks. So, that's the second property na hindi kayang gawin ng any water available or liquid in the market. Only Kangen water has that property. And then the last but not the least is all about, before that, alam niyo ba na ang commercially made alkaline water have added minerals that causes imbalances to body pH? Yan yung ayaw ng mga doktor. Kaya yung mga nabibentang alkaline water, bottled alkaline, sinasabi, huwag masyadong uminom doon kasi it will cause imbalance. Kasi ang pumping ng blood natin is calcium, magnesium. Ang contract is calcium, ang pamparelax, magnesium. So pag nasobrahan ng calcium, nagpapalpitate. So kaya yung sinasabi. Commercially made alkaline water may build up in your body because of hypermineralization. And what's the good thing about Kangen is, Kangen water is hydrogen rich. Kaya mataas ang kanyang pH kasi rich, marami masyadong concentration of hydrogen ions. Yun lang yun. Kung hindi mineral ang nilagay, hindi calcium, hindi magnesium, hydrogen. Hence, naturally alkaline in nature, no mineral manipulation has been made. So, may nakuha kayo? Are you getting something? I hope meron kayo nakuha. So, that's the second and then the last property we will be discussing is all about microclustering property. Ang normal na tubig or clustering ng tubig na iniinom natin is nasa 15 to 20 H2O molecules na nagkumpul-kumpul. 15 to 20 H2O molecules na nagkumpul-kumpul yung kanyang structure. Our Kangen water is nasa 4 to 6 lang. At alam niyo ba, may isang scientist na pangalan si Peter Ager or Agre na kung saan discover niya na ang opening ng ating yung membrane o opening ng ating cell, ang size ng opening ng ating cell is nasa 4 to 6 H2O molecules ang laki. So if you are drinking this big, tapos ang butas ng cell mo is maliit, paano siya magkakasya o paano natin ma-maximize ang hydration? That's where is the last property na kung saan separates Kangen from all water types available in the market in the world when it comes to hydration. So pag sinabing hydration, di ba ano dapat ang ma-hydrate? Cells. Bakit? Hydrated cells equals hydrated body. Hydrated tama ba cells? Yes, tama. Hydrated cells, hydrated tissues, hydrated organs, hydrated system, hydrated body. O di ba? Science yan, di ba? Alam natin yan. So, i-demonstrate ko kasi wala tayong pwedeng gawin to determine this unless aralin natin to na sa ano talaga, sa microscope or scientist or ano ba, chem ba tawag dyan. Ang gawin natin ngayon is para lang meron kayong patikim. Malaki nito, ano? I have here promotion. Susan Baker Chinese Green Tea. Alam sa hindi ko na ito makita. Ang ginagamit ng iba, Lipton Tea. Baka naman, Susan Baker, gawin niyo akong, alam niyo na, hindi, just kidding. Kukuha tayo ng sample. Isa lang, isang tibag. So, anong ibig sabihin ng ito? Ang representation ng tibag na to, para lang maintindihan natin is, ito yung magre-represent sa cells natin. Ito. Ibaga, isang cell. Ganito ang loob ng katawan natin. Maraming T-bags. Yung T-bags na yun, meron siyang butas-butas, right? May mga holes. So, yung holes ng T-bag na to, ito yung representation ng ating opening ng ating cell. Ibig sabihin, pag kukuha tayo ng tubig, kapasukan natin ito ng tubig, dapat, kung maliit ang butas, anyway, bakit ganito? Kasi ito yung pinaka-tibag na maliit ang butas or holes. Kaya ito ang ginamit natin. Of course, hindi naman tayo magtitibag na gamit ang energy drink at ng soda, itago na natin. Wala namang nagtitig sa inyo na gumagamit ng ano, di ba? So, ito yung gagamitin natin. At saka yung Kangen. So, unahin natin yung galing sa water from purified. Take a look. Supposedly, this is green tea. So, dapat merong lalabas na green tea, pero walang lumabas. Bakit kaya? So, ang gawin natin, igip tayo ng candle. Fresh. So, konti lang kasi nakuha natin, focus na. So, ito na yung last. Kuha ko ng candle. Ang gawin natin is, gamitan natin ng candle water. The slower the flow, the higher the antioxidant, the smaller the structure. Okay? So remember that the slower the flow, the higher the antioxidant, the smaller the structure. Okay. So, mag-i-give na ko advance. Kaya lang natin while we are moving. So, lagyan natin. Lagyan ka muna. So, pero what if ang gamitin natin is Kangen water? Take a look. Tchanan! O, diba? So, nako, baka nabasa lang po, Ray. So, bigyan natin ng chance yan. Si Distill. Distill. Wala pa rin. Baka ubos na, coach. Kangen. Baka ubos na talaga. Kangen. 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 Madaya, puro kangen. Olas na. Baka alam talaga. O, diba? Pinapalakpakan yan pag makikita nyo. So, ganun kaganda ang Kangen water. So, ano explanation? Yung ibang tubig, hindi niya kayang makapasok sa butas ng tibag. Kasi, malalaki ang kanyang clustering. Ang butas ng tibag, ang liliit, kaya hindi niya mapasok. Ang Kangen water natin is microcluster. Maliit. Kaya, kaya niya makapenetrate up to cellular natin. So, gawa tayo ng tatlong extract. Last na ito. Para mapakita ko sa inyo na super ganda if you are taking supplements na ito yung inyong tinitake. So, gagawa ko ng tatlong extract. Tea extract. Ito yung representation ng lahat ng iniinom ninyong palwari, vitamins, supplements, capsule, juice, ano pa ba? Basta iniinom nyo ng mga vitamins and supplements, ito yung makukuha nyo nutrients supposedly. Pero, ang normal na ginagawa natin, iniinom natin yung tubig, tama? So, ano nangyayari pag inuman natin ng tubig? From this color, wala na, diluted na. So, bago pa pumasok sa cells mo, na-dilute na ng water yung vitamins o nutrients. Bago pa pumasok sa cells mo, diluted na. Right? Pero, pag iniinom nyo, Kangen water, pakita ko sa inyo ng clear ito. Lagyan natin. Para see the difference? Okay na. Ang ginagawa ng tubig is ini-enhance niya kung ano yung kinakain natin, iniinom natin. Ang tubig na to is merong antioxidant. Ang tubig na to is highly alkaline. Maraming hydrogen ions. Super taas ng pH. Tubig na to is microcluster, nakakapasok sa cell. Kaya pag inumin mo ito, walang ibang gawin ito sa katawan nyo but to bring health. Alam niyo ba na ang katawan natin is kailangan lang niya ng tools na magamit para makafunction siya ng mabuti. Kasi ang katawan natin is may sarili siyang immune system. Yun yung binibigay ni God sa atin para our body can heal itself. At then, ang gawin lang natin dapat is to provide our body the best tools. At isa sa mga tools na very important sa katawan natin is tubig. Water is life. So pag-isipan nyo ito, this is what separates Kangen water from the rest. Asan kayo makakita ng tubig na this is documented? The book Enzyme Factor. Na-expire na yata yung aking antioxidant. Hold on. $370,000. Puro yan sila mga cancer patients. Alam ba ang nangyari dyan? Yun ay, ang suggestion or ang treatment protocol ni Dr. Shinya is gumamit ng Kangen water. Part ng treatment protocol. Alam mo nang nangyari? Not a single relapse of cancer from all his cancer patients. Not a single recurrence. Not a single relapse. So, ganun ito kaganda. And then, ito yung mga testimonies. Ito yung colon ng mayroong breast cancer. After 3 months of drinking Kangen water, luminis ang kanyang colon. Ito yung colon ng mayroong stage 4 na prostate. Super dumi. Di ba? Gut. Large intestine, I mean. Ito yung after 3 months. Healthy ulit. So, amazing works of Kangen water. Sa mga bata na mayroong autism, Kangen water. Sabi nito, Dr. Quayle Allen, lahat ng mga ginamitan niya is na-improve ang kanilang tumaas ang expectations na lampasan pa ang kanilang expectation. And then, walang water ionizers sa buong mundo na endorsed by more than 8,500 doctors. Grabe, ano? Tapos, sa isang doktor lang na nagsabi na hindi yan maganda, maniniwala ka na. Saan ka maniniwala? 8,500 or isa? Or dalawang doctors na hindi naman alam ano yung tubig. Right? So, ito yung mga hospitals na ginagamit ang Kangen water machine sa labas. Ito yung sa Pilipinas. And then, testimonials. Stage 4 throat cancer from 3 months to live to cancer-free. Beat that. Ganda, no? Cancer, stage 4, throat cancer. Meron siyang timing na 3 months. 3 months to live. Ano nangyari? 3 months to live to cancer-free. Nakatulong sa kanya, Kangen water. So may mga problema sa sugar. Ang dami natin mga testimonials. Weeks, 3 months sa tubig. Pagbalik sa doktor, pag-check up, normal ang sugar. Sabi ka makakahanap ng ganyan tubig. Walang ibang tubig makapagbigay ng ganyang result. Only Kangen water. How about mga sugar, high blood, from May 1 to May 28, isang buwan. Normalized from 153 over 110 to 126 over, di ba? Cholesterol. Can you imagine? Tubig, tapos nakakapag bawas or nakapagpababa ng bad cholesterol, kakaiba. And then, marami pang water types. Isa lang yung pinakita ko. In fact, siguro agree kayo, nandun pa lang sa yung sa property pa lang, yung sa drinking pa lang na part ng Kangen, okay na kayo eh. How about meron pa itong mga tubig na ganito? Na yung mga oil-based pesticide, kaya niyang i-remove. 15 minutes or 30 minutes, babad mo lang ng strong Kangen. Yan na. Mawawala yung ito, mga pesticides na yan, remove. So, kumakain ka ngayon ng healthy. Ito yung pinagusto ko sa strong Kangen, yung mga nalalantana. Alam niyo ba? Babad mo yun ng 30 minutes. Nagiging ulit, nabubuhay. Yung mga lantana, nabubuhay. So yung mga nalalantana dyan, babad lang. Okay? Mabubuhay ulit. You will get the joke on the way. Ito yung mga restaurants. At saka may science din yan, bakit na kayang gawin yan, strong Kangen. How about the next one? Strong acid. Sugat, disinfectant, lahat. Including, huwag na lang yan. but very effective. Mga sugat, yan o, mga chronic allergy, effective. Yan. Day 6, strong acid, yung mga chronic eczema. Pag mayaman, eczema. Pag mga mahirap, ano yan? Galis. Pag dato, eczema. Pag kubre, tagid. So, amazing. 6 days. Yan, mga pag-disinfect. Pwede mo makamit yung strong acid. How about, hindi yung kayang i-replace ng strong acid sa bahay natin. Pag-disinfect, alcohol. We're not using alcohol anymore. We're using the strong acid. And then, clean water para sa pagtulak ng gamot sa mga elderlies or kahit hindi elderlies. At baby formula. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng distilled water. Clean water will do. Dito yan. Kaya ito, kita ko sa inyo last part. So, at isa sa mga paborito ng tubig for sure is the beauty water. Astringent, toner, panghilamos, anti-pimples, anti-dandruff. So, ang ganda. So, gaganda ka lalo. Sa mga pangit, tatalino kayo pag gumamit kayo lang. Mga gustong bumata, di ba? Grabe kalaki ng vanity business. Gusto bumata lang, kaya kung gawin. Ito, this is only 3 days. 3 days nag-spray lang ng beauty water. Itong machine na to is nadidetermine na this siya. Is madidetermine niya ang age ng skin mo. Edad niya is 31, age ng skin niya is 26 or younger looking. Pero nung gumamit siya ng beauty water, of course, for sure ako, uminom ng kagad ito. Beauty inside out. After 2 days, 3 days, ang edad ng skin niya is 16 years old na lang. Hindi nila kailangan after 6 months mag-gumata ng 10 years or 5 years. Di ba may product na ganyan? 5 to 10 years after 6 months. Ito, 10 years younger after 3 days. So maganda yan, di ba? Yan ang panalo, malupit. Saka, anyway, so skin, scalp problems, yun nyo, may pag-asa pa. So, one machine, 5 types of water, Mitra-Tyrose, Benadryl. So ito yung machine, ito yung highly recommended model. So, K8, isang model lang i-discuss ko sa inyo. K8, meron tayo. Ito yung pindot-pindot lang, iPhone Touch. Nandyan, at the comfort of your home for the next 30 years, 25 years, or 30. Nasa loob lang ng bahay mo. So, yan yung kagandahan na technology na ito. So, maintenance nito is only meron tayong SD501. Price na tayo, price. So this is the model, 246. 8 languages. Click. Ang bago na labas ng K8, 10 languages na kahit saan bansa ang kanyang is compatible. So this is the Rolls-Royce. And then we also have, of course, the SD501. If hindi kaya ang 246 for now, go for the SD501. That's a good unit also. If this is the Rolls-Royce, the K8, ito yung BMW. Ito yung Rolls-Royce na may payo. Ito yung BMW na may wine glass. 200 na. Okay? And then pag gusto nyo ng Camry, go for Camry, GR4. Pero, sa presyo nito, 168 versus 201, doon na ako sa 201. Kasi 4 plates. Ano bang kaiba ng plates po today? Mas maraming plates. This is only 4 plates. This is 7 plates. Mas maraming plates. Mas mataas ang antioxidant. Mas pino ang tubig. So, for those who are very conscious sa kanilang nililigo na tubig, gusto nilang walang chlorine, gusto nilang pwede lang ayaw na mag-conditioner, yung skin nila parang kutis ko, go for an spa. So, that's the shower na para kang nag-onsen sa Japan. So, 140,000. So, the good news is, lahat yan mayroong installment plans, mayroong credit card payment, DPI, Metrobank, RCBC at BDO, 12 months to pay or 24 months to pay. And mayroon niyang down payment lang, 10 months, 16 months. In fact, putting down payment, 25% na down payment, and then mabamonthly ka na. Depende kung ilang months na. So, that's it. Our slogan is change your water, change your life. I hope nakakuha kayo ng value sa pinakita natin sa inyo tonight. Sa mga nahuli, balikan nyo, i-rewind nyo lang, mayroon niyang drug bottle ang inyong mga cellphone, laptop, or computer. Ibalik nyo lang sa part na sa live video na hindi napanood. If nagustuhan ninyo, after seeing this, share the link. So, panood nyo sa iba. Yung mga adlib, huwag nyo lang skip. Focus on the three particles at saka machine. Kasi this is health. Mas mahal mag-maintain ng sakit kaysa mag-maintain ng health. Pag i-divide nyo itong amount na to, pag i-divide nyo ito, itong presyo ng machine, divide nyo yan sa 20 years, you will be amazed. Na ganito pala ito kamura. Alam ito, i-divide nyo ito sa 25 years, parang gumagastos ka lang ng 22 pesos a day. 27 pesos a day for the next 25 years. Paano pag 5 pa kayo sa family? Di, no-brainer na yun, right? Kasi pampamilya to eh. So, my challenge is, if you got value out from this, find a way to have this machine at your home. Guys, pag namahalan kayo ng machine na to, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo priority ang inyong health. That's a very straightforward statement coming from. Pag hindi mo na-appreciate ang machine na to, wala kang gagawin, meaning hindi mo priority ang health. So my challenge is you set your priority right. Kasi isang katawan lang tayo eh. One time lang, hindi pwedeng i-replace. One time lang talaga. Pag na-damage, game over. So that's it. Thank you so much. I hope nakatulong ako na ma-educate kayo about this machine. And I believe this is a great investment for your entire family that will last 25 years to 30 years. Thank you and have a great evening sa inyong lahat. See you!